Hi guys, Happy New Year. Today is 2023 and I'm finally making my other cargo transport simulator video. So loading 90%. And also some of you have not seen my YouTube video, so just go to Evelyn Andesia and then not Evelyn Andesia. So just go to Razel's show and then you'll find it. So let's start. Where was the other one was just the intro, so I made 2 YouTube videos in the same day. Finally, a good track game on mobile. You're just complimenting yourself, right? So we know where we're going. But this track is hard to control. And also guys, if you forgot, I made a YouTube video that okay, that's not bad. That's worse. Look at my car. Whatever. So I'm awfully quiet because I have not made a YouTube video for so long. It's been a literal year. So you think the voice frequency that 864 parameters. We are passing as I was trying to say, the other video I made it to traffic mode off. So I will not have any traffic. And look at the mirror right now. Look where I'm looking. I'm looking at the mirror right now. So you see back, my truck isn't holding it very good. So if I go to pause, I can even get off this, but I have to go all the way back. So that I can get another one of these things that are in my back. You see that? This one at the mirror. I could get rid of them, but I could not get rid of them and then they stay at the road. I just have to go all the way back where I came, which is annoying. So there is where we left off last time, and I was like, oh, this is so hard to control. And every reaction. So this one, I'm still there. I'm still at that reaction. But that just makes it fun. If this game is cursed, I'm going to delete it forever. Actually, all the games are cursed. And also they have secrets that should not be there. I'm not comfortable with my back like that. So this is just the short form of this video. So it's literally 4 minutes. Now it's stop it. 5 minutes of making this video. 5. Nice. Oh guys, I'm literally playing this game. Okay, you can see my finger on the looking place, like look at me. But if I play this game normally, this just needs a computer, right? Yeah, it needs to be a computer, not a so let me go all the way to 6. 6 will be nice. 6 and something will be nice. 6.5 will be nice. I can make a video of 14 minutes, but not 15. Then because if it's 15, then I'll not be able to what is it called? I forgot what it's called. To upload this video, yeah. You see how I will be a YouTuber. No, I am a YouTuber. Yeah, I am literally stressed right now, and I don't know what I'm doing because I haven't made a YouTube video for so long. Literally. If I see something cast, I'm going to get off this game immediately. That's cast. Whatever. I'm literally bad at driving. I'm literally bad at driving. So we're going there. Now let's move. Now we're at 6 kilometers, 600 kilometers. But if it gets 600.5, I'm ending this video immediately. I'm going to game space right now. It's literally hard to control this. I just want to get this. What is it called? Pepsi back, whatever thing. I've seen a cast thing. Guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Bye.